So you want to be a day trader, huh? Okay. Yeah, all right.
I need that money.
And welcome back, guys. I'm J. Rock Atchison. And if you're new to my channel, I make educational videos for beginner day traders who want to learn how to grow their small trading accounts realistically and safely. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about the top 5 books that I recommend for beginner day traders. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So coming in at number 5 is going to be a book called How to Day Trade for a Living by Andrew Aziz. This book was very inspirational for me when I first started out. It talked about everything from charting, from technical analysis, to market psychology, to market participants, things I had no idea existed. So if you're a beginner, definitely get your hands on a copy of this book. It's gonna help your learning curve dramatically. All right, next, coming in at my number 4th pick, it's gonna be Charting and Technical Analysis by Fred McAllen. It's gonna be this little guy right here. All right, I call this the Bible, okay? Because if you're talking about day trading, you're gonna have to know how to read charts. And this book definitely delivers. So you're gonna learn how to chart, and you're gonna learn the basics and the fundamentals of technical analysis, which is key for any day traders, okay? Coming in at number 3, it's gonna be a book called Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This little guy right here, all right? This is gonna be more of my shifting my mindset, rewiring my mindset. I talk a lot about that on my channel because it all starts with your belief. If you don't believe in yourself, then nothing's gonna get done. So it all starts with you looking in the mirror and you saying that, hey, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna read this book. I'm gonna finish this book, and I'm gonna apply some of the principles and techniques from this book. All right, it starts with your mindset. So moving along, number 2, it's gonna be this book right here called The Power of Broke by Damon John. Oh my God, y'all not feeling me on this book right here. The Power of Broke. This book right here, I'm telling you, this book right here will get your minds definitely ready. You come out of here feeling like you can conquer the world. He teaches you how you can become the greatest version of yourself, And basically, if you coming out of a position of not having anything, that thirst, that hunger, that desire, it could be utilized as fuel. You don't have to necessarily have a fancy degree from an Ivy League school. You just have to have that belief. You have to start. You have to want it. You have to be hungry. You know what I mean? And The Power of Broke, that's what he talks about. How to gain a competitive advantage, by just being hungry, having a mindset of being hungry and always wanting to learn and grow. All right? So, last but not least, coming in at my number 1 spot, it's gonna be a book called Millionaire Success Habits by my man Dean. I don't try to pronounce his last name because I always jack it up, but my man Dean, he definitely came through with this book right here. Now, you talking about mindset shift, this book right here definitely delivers. It have so many different exercises in this book that it gets you from one level to the next level in your life. I don't care if you're 20 years old, 30 years old, 50 years old. This book got something in there for you. All right, and it's actually my favorite, my number 1 for a reason. I read this all the time. I'm always finding something new in this book, some new principle that I can apply to my day-to-day life. And I don't know if you guys noticed the trend and the pattern, but the books that I put in my top 3 were all mindset, self-improvement type books. It had absolutely nothing to do with day trading, and I did that for a reason. The reason is because it starts with your mindset. You can't wake up one day and say, hey, I'm gonna be a day trader without having the proper tools and the proper foundation. And that foundation comes in the form of books like Millionaire Success Habits, books like The Power of Broke. Get you a solid foundation, you know what I mean? Get you that belief, because it starts from the inside. You have to have that belief that, hey, I can do this. I can do whatever the hell I put my mind to. And then you move on to the actual topics, actual day trading subjects. All right. So I hope you guys found value in this video. And as always, if you'd like to see more, be sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and put something in the comment section. If you've read these books before, comment which book you've read and which one you recommend. All right. So until next time, peace.